What's up, you guys? It's your girl Suzie, back again with another video. So here I am taking out a hairstyle that I had in for probably about a week or so, and I'm going to show you guys my wash process and how I managed to get that beautiful style that you just saw when you clicked on the video. So here I am parting out my hair into sections so that I can apply my water and my shampoo, which is Creme of Nature's Argan Oil. I love it. I get it from Walmart. It's very inexpensive, and this is what I have been using ever since I cut my hair since 2017. If you have not seen my big chop video, there's a link just above. Go ahead and click that and check that out. So here I am just applying the shampoo, combing it out all throughout my scalp, making sure that my hair isn't all tangled up, and just running my fingers through the hair, constantly comb it out. It's a process. Just apply shampoo, comb, repeat, apply shampoo, comb, and repeat. Like, I love that my hair, it just simply shines with this shampoo, and I don't think I will ever change, but I'm always open to newer shampoos. But for the most part, this is my go-to, my favorite, and will be around. I'm so goofy.
Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
This part of the video where I like literally bit into my shampoo because I was trying to get every bit of shampoo out of the bottle. Like, I think it was almost done. I don't remember, but it was like, I gotta get every bit of this shampoo. Like, I love a lot of shampoo in my hair. I don't know why. I just feel like the more the better, and the more that I apply, I can just run every single bit of that shampoo throughout my hair. So my hair is fully washed, and I'm getting ready to blow dry my hair, which is actually the first time I've ever blow dried my hair since I did the big chop. And I don't recommend heat on your hair. I'll probably say once out the year is great, but this is the one time and one time only. Here is the heat protectant spray by Cantu that I use in order to blow dry my hair. I love it. You know, it's not too heavy, doesn't make my hair feel like it's tearing, and to be honest, like, my hair doesn't feel dry even using that spray. So I definitely do recommend that if you ever plan to blow dry your hair. This, in fact, is a very long process, and I simply try to part in small sections because my hair is very thick, and I want to make sure that my hair is like literally stretched out to the point where it shouldn't be that hard to put my hair in a ponytail. It's like literally suffering, but you guys can see the difference. My hair is literally like down to my collarbone, and I'm just like, wow, my hair really is long. So here I am just repeating the process, making sure that every inch of my hair is blown out. Now that my hair is all blown out and twisted up, it's time to get ready to unravel these twists and basically comb it out. I just twist it just to see, you know, the length that my hair has gotten to, and basically a lot easier for me to go ahead and style my hair. So here I am parting out my hair, just trying to get that front section in order for me to make my bang. I love parting my hair this way because, I don't know, like I always love covering my forehead because I feel like my forehead is large, but it fits me. So here I am getting ready to part the side of my hair, where I put in about, I think it was about like 5 or 6 small braids, just so that I can get that ponytail look just flat, because trying to brush down the sides of my hair and making sure that it stays flat for a long time is not possible. It's just not. So I'm gonna slap these braids in and just call it a day. Typically when I'm braiding my hair, I feel like I'm not braiding it tight enough, but then when I get done braiding it, it's like, what the heck was I doing? Like, I know I was taking my sweet time trying to braid my hair. Here is a real time of when I started to braid my hair. Like, I literally take my time. Like, I'm not gripping like my scalp like as it felt when I got done with it, but I don't know, I guess that's the reality of braiding your hair. You don't feel it until after the fact, which is okay. It came out nice. Eventually it started to loosen up. Now that I finished braiding my hair, it's time to apply my As I Am smoothing gel, which I really love, on the back of my head, just brushing down those fuzzy hairs. But I just wanted to get that out of the way so that I can go over to the front, because that is the main focus, the front. It is a very tedious process. In the front, I'm parting my hair and I'm applying some rope twists so that I can get that fluffy look in the front. Originally, I thought that when I had the rope twist and my hair, my actual hair, the bun, as you can see, that the style would look perfect just like that. But I wasn't really feeling it. Like, I thought that it could be so much better. I wanted a bigger bun. Like, I'm literally trying to think, like, can I wear it like this? No. Like, definitely not. In order to get that big bun that I wanted, I got this Afro Kinky hair. I'm not sure of the brand, but I know it wasn't Marley hair, but that's a good brand to use, as well as Cuban twists. And I basically wet it a little bit so that I can run my fingers through it and just continue to make my bun. I had a hard time trying to make this bun, but I had to step away and just make it without any problems, because this thing was literally frustrating me. But it came out great. I actually did this early in the morning, so I decided to just tie down my hair for about a couple of hours. I'm unraveling my twists just so that I can get that fluffy bang that I wanted. And I simply just fluff it out, make sure every corner of it is even, no hairs are sticking out. And then I simply just roll it together, and then I just pin it just like that. And here is the final product. It is also important to oil your scalp. Make sure that your hair is shining and the braids are popping out. This is wild hair growth oil that I have been using for quite some time. I definitely do recommend. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that bell for post notifications for whenever I upload a video. You'll be notified right away. Suzie is out of here.